Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to increase max volume on your iPhone. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to increase the volume of your iPhone, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on setting first. Let me tell you that if you want to increase the volume, just simply you have to go to accessibility first. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to tap on audio or visual. From here you have to go to headphone accommodation, and from here you have to turn this toggle on. So once you have done this guys, just simply you have to check on balance tone from here, and you have to increase this on moderate or strong. So you have to increase this on strong and make sure that both of these toggles are turned on. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to your setting menu and look at for music. Here it is guys, just simply you have to tap on that. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on EQ from here, and just simply you have to select on late night. Now go back from here guys, and just simply you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to go to animated art option, and from here you have to also make sure that if it's on. So once you have done this guys, you can notice that your volume will be increased on your iPhone. If it's not guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that if your speaker is clear, so you have to clean the dust from your speaker, and you can easily notice that your volume will be increased. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.